गोयच्यो पंचायती आणि जिल्लो पंचायतींनी अनुसूचित जाती खातीर आरक्षण ना म्हूण अनुसूचित जातीच्या राष्ट्रीय आयोगाचो वांगडी एम शिवण्णान अजाप उक्तायला। अनुसूचित जातीचे लोकांक 2% आरक्षण दिवपाची मागणी हे लोकांनी केली। फुडले फावट राज्यस्तरीय नियाळ घेतले अशें तांणी म्हणला। पिसुल्ले अनुसूचित जातीचे व्यक्तीकडच्यान आयिल्ले अस्पृश्यतायेचे कागाळीची चौकशी करपाचे आयोगान थारायला।
Cases were booked in the atrocities. That is out of 4 cases, 2012, 11 में 3 cases and in 12 4 cases. All are, I think, minor cases to abusing the in the name of caste. So, but almost all they wanted to investigation. Now they are completed the investigation and they wanted to file the charge sheet. 100% it is better than other states. Here there is no such a complaints are so in compared to UP or Bihar or other states, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and then Odisha. So there are a lot of complaints again, because even there are so many such cases are every day. But here, so because this is the 3rd time I am coming here, so we didn't find any discrimination either in South Goa or in North. This is very serious issue, because here whatever it may be, because after this meeting I am called the principal secretary of Panchayat. So why they are not maintaining the reservation here? I am going to asking, because everywhere they should maintain the maybe a panchayati level or maybe a Jilla Panchayat level or maybe a town Panchayat level, they must maintain the reservation.
आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी।
This year Club National is celebrating 100 years, so we are trying to do so many functions this year to commemorate our 100 years of the club. So we are having this old is gold, a traditional dance, where all the members are invited and guests also. We have 2 top bands playing, Lace and Cascades. Apart from this, we had Goinchalara, where our Chief Minister was the chief guest. Then we have Sauda's Portuguese function. We have a lot of sport activities.
On the 8th of December, we will be having this procession starting from 2:30 in the afternoon from Rashtroli Samsthan, Khorlim, Sim. And it will conclude at the football ground near Bodgeshwar Temple in Mapsa, which will be followed by a katha, a satsang session by Dr. Radha Gopinath Das, and dinner prasadam for everyone.
We have completed 75 years and we will be concluding the 75th year on 8th and 9th of this month. Now, for the first time in Goa, we are having a unique program, something which is called Back to School, which is going to be on Saturday the 8th. We appeal to all our past teachers and past students to please contact the school and be here on the 8th.
आंतरराष्ट्रीय ऑलिंपिक समितीन भारतीय ऑलिंपिक संघटनेक बरखास्त केल्या, पण संवसारीक पावंड्यावेले हे घटनेचो लुसोफोनिया गेम्साचे तयारेक लागिल्ले बास्केटबॉल कोच आणि खेळगड्यांचेर कांयच परिणाम जावंक ना। गोंय विद्यापीठाचे कोर्टार बुधवारा चले आणि चलयांक खातीर कॅम्प सुरू जालो।
The IOC may have suspended IOA and put a dampener on the Indian sports scene, but the camp for Lusophobia Games, rather the basketball camp for the Lusophobia Games has been started on the right earnest. Sandeep, good start for basketball camp.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this news at the top level always happens, but never dampens any spirits of the real sports person down here. So our camp, as scheduled, has begun. Immaterial of what's happening, and what we foresee, what has always been in the past, it's only lobbies on top, which will be sorted out soon. I have with me my colleague, Mr. Dilip Ghosh, a Sai coach, a reputed Sai coach, and colleague with me, Anaga Varlikar. So we three would be actually taking up this camp in both the men's and women's section.
What we have got here together is Goa's best available basketball talent who would fight to get the place in the team for Lusophony.
Yes, definitely. We have got, as said in the past, the response may be 21, 22 odd, but the faces that we coaches were looking forward to, they have all appeared here. So they are here. We have got Goa's best talent here, which will be further nourished over the period of 10-11 months. And as decided by SAG, GOA and us technical people, that every 3 to 4 months we will review their performance. We will three sit together, make a training program, make a camp program for them, okay, and review their program every 3 to 4 months. As of now, it is 1 session a day. Maybe after 3 months or maybe 4 months, we would have it twice a day. And then in the meanwhile, we could even, in the last 1.5 to 2 months, extend it to 3 sessions a day, that like the national sides do have. Maybe prior to the competition, where we have maybe individual skills to be further polished and perfected in 1 session, team practices and team scrimmages in 1 session, and with yoga, psychological session, brainstorming sessions and other literature shared with them in the mid session from 11 to 1. We would also put ahead proposals to the SAG and GOA, maybe in this year, to take them out at least 2 to 3 times for some invitational tournaments in neighboring Goa, maybe Karnataka, Maharashtra, elsewhere, where we get to gauge their strengths, their weaknesses, and at the same time it becomes an outing and a performance-oriented outing for them.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट prudent goa वा facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.